Now the waiting is over. There is one more performance. Rocking performance. Teachers dance? You don't need my dance?
Yes.
Yes. So here we welcome all the beautiful teachers on the dais from pre-primary to high school. Give a big round of applause. Beautiful young teachers on the dais. All the admission counselors, please come on the dais.
Start.
We are honoring you to welcome on the dais. Please come, ma'am.
Students,
See-
teachers are thinking who will go first on the stage.
Well, we will see today whether the children has performed well or the teachers. Shall we? No. I know my children will perform very well. I have that confidence. Yes? Yes. See, all the beautiful young girls are going to come here. You are looking beautiful, ma'am.
After our students
cheers,
have shown
everyone.
up their swag, it is the turn of our teachers to show their swag today. Leading with example, all the teachers
No, Aman
of
ma'am.
Sri-
No, it is not at all possible. Here they want to do perform first. Boys. Boys or girls? Teachers.
మేమంటే మేము అనుకుంటూ మేల్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ వర్సెస్ టీచర్స్ లేడీ టీచర్స్ లెట్స్ సీ హూ విల్ పర్ఫార్మ్ వెల్
Let's welcome Mukesh sir, Nagesh sir, Ravi sir and the dance master Anand sir. Please give a round of applause. I want all the parents and the children join your hands and give the claps. Thank you so much sir for your gratitude for the children and the parents performing a dance here.
We would like Tejas sir also to join them.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
All right.
Excellent.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh.
Mukesh sir, excellent.
One more time, beautiful.
Wow.
Chocolate, shock chocolate, jam jackpot. Yeah.
Tit for tat, shoot at sight, sweet cockpit.
Chocolate, shock chocolate, jam jackpot. Hey, रूप तेरा मस्त हना, नीकु तेरा व्यस्त हना.
సోపు వేస్తే వస్తానా చేతులన్నీ ఇస్తానా
काटे सुकुंदा में दिल्ली कच्चा.
నీకే సొక్కోరాదా ముద్దు ముజ్జా
Hey, దగ్గరైతే సిగ్గుపుట్ట, దూరమైతే అగ్గిపెట్ట, ఇద్దరైతే నిద్రైట.
హత్తు పెర హత్తు పెట్ట ముద్దు మీద ముద్దు పెట్ట అదరై అల్లరట్ట
रूप तेरा मस्ताना, नीकु तेरा व्यस्ताना.
సోపు వేస్తే వస్తానా చేతులన్నీ ఇస్తానా
జగడజా జగుంజా బోటనీ పాఠముంది మేటనీ ఆట ఉంది దేనికో ఓటు చెప్పరా హిస్టరీ లెక్చర్ ఉంది మిస్టరీ పిక్చర్ ఉంది సోదరా ఏది బెస్టురా బోటనీ క్లాస్ అంటే బోరు బోరు హిస్టరీ రుస్టు కన్నా రెస్ట్ మేలు పాటలు ఫైటులున్న ఫిల్ము చూడు బ్రేకులు డిస్కోలు చూపుతారు జగడ 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 జాం జగడ 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 జాం జగడ
Hey, my golden sparrow!
வாமா வாமா கம்மன் சிங்கு குயின தேடி வந்தான் கிங்கு டைலா டைலா பிபி டும்மு மாலை மாத்தி போடு ரிங்கு கோல்டன் ஸ்பாரோ என் நெஞ்சில ஆரோ நீ இல்லாத லைஃப் ரொம்ப சாரோ மாஸ்க் ஆஃப் சாரோ நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் டூயட் வேற யாரோ கப்பல கப்பல கோலு இவ சிங்கல சுத்தின கேளு சங்கதி என்னன்னு கேளு இனி வந்தா ஆளு நெத்திலி நெத்திலி மீனு ஒரு கெத்துல சுத்தின நீனு நிக்குது நிக்குது லைனு நீ மினுக்குற மூணு கோல்டன் ஸ்பாரோ என் நெஞ்சில ஆரோ நீ இல்லாத லைஃப் ரொம்ப சாரோ மாஸ்க் ஆஃப் சாரோ நம்ம பையன் தான் ஹீரோ சிங்கிங் டூயட் வேற யாரோ
Hello? Did you see the energy? Nirmala ma'am, dear parents, she's 65 years of age, dancing in the front row. Please give it up for her. While our students were partying here, do you know who was missing on the stage here? Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am. Our Vice Principal Ma'am is a very energetic dancer and without preparation, but just in the spirit of leading with example, joining us today on the stage for the first time ever. Please welcome Principal Ma'am and Sneha Ma'am. Woo!
मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है जल 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 बहता जल नारे 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 What a performance, what energy. And all our parents and students, they've not really prepared for this, just in the spirit of leading by example. All those students who fear coming up on the stage, they are the live examples of how confidence is more important on the stage. Please give it up for all our teachers today. All those students who took the mics, please return it back on the stage.
Love you all, my dear students. Thanks for your appreciations.
Well, after that joyful performances, I now request on stage Center Head, Sri Vasishtha, the school Himalaya block, Teja sir.
I would like to call upon Center Head Teja sir.
Teja sir is a dynamic leader who truly believes that leadership is not about standing in the spotlight. Did you see that? He did not come up on the stage, but he is behind every performance that happened on the stage, quietly holding the light for others.
Teja,
He's the
national anthem, then oath of thanks. Vote of thanks and national anthem. Okay, sorry Aman ma'am, carry on. Carry on.
He's the silent force behind the Himalaya block, always the first to help, but always the last one to claim credit. Behind every smooth event, every new initiative, and every milestone that Sri Vasishtha, the school, has achieved, there is a silent guidance. With utmost respect,
We welcome on stage our beloved Teja sir, who will now formally present the vote of thanks. I request parents, please, out of respect, please be seated. These are the last few minutes. Teja sir is presenting vote of thanks. There are a lot of students, teachers, and a lot of people who have worked for this event today. We now request you to please take your seat for a few more moments. Sir, over to you.
Good evening to all the respected Chief Guest Pramila Rani ma'am, honorable dignitaries, respected members of management, dear parents, teachers and staff and beloved students. I am Teja Sai, Center Head of Sri Vasishtha School. It is a truly moment of pride, gratitude to the purpose of vote. Thanks on this very special occasion. Today is not just an event, it's a celebration of dreams, dedication and determination. Seeing our student performance with such confidence and joy fill our hearts with pride and hope for the future. First and foremost, I express my deepest gratitude esteems our chief guest, Mr. Pramila Rani ma'am. Despite your busy schedule, you choose to be with us today. Your gracious presence, inspiring words, warm encouragement, and deeply touched our students and staff. You have truly motivated your young mind, dream bigger and aim higher. And my heart thanks to our respected GM Vamshi sir, the backbone of our institute. Sir, your journey from the junior lecturer to general manager stands a powerful example of dedication and growth. And your leadership proves a strength and direction and stability to our organization. You are also the pillar behind our progress. I also sincere thanks to our respected Dean Srikant sir, who is always keen on delivering excellent education. Sir, your sharp focus on academic excellence, your attention to detail and your constant drive to ensure the student's success elevate our stand every single day. Your dedication inspires both the staff and students alike. To our dear parents, thank you for trusting with your most precious gift for your children. Your faith, encouragement, partnership inspire us, give our very best. The journey of the growth and success would not be possible without your support. My heart appreciation goes to our principal, a true visionary, and our vice principal, a dedicated steward, and our dedicated teachers. The patience, the passion, and endless hard work behind the scenes have shaped every performance we witnessed today. We are truly architects of our students' success. I extend my sincere thanks to our non-teaching staff, technical team, housekeeping staff, and volunteers. Your silent effort, commitment ensure the smooth execution and grand event. Your contribution is invaluable. And finally, my dear student, you are the soul of the celebrations. Your performance reflects the confidence, creativity, discipline, and teamwork. You made this event unforgettable and filled us with immense pride. As we conducted these celebrations, let us carry forward the spirit of unity, excellence, and gratitude. Thank you all for making this annual day very beautiful memory to that remain in our hearts forever. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We will now be playing national anthem. I request all the dignitaries, all the teachers,
All
to
the
please
teaching
come
staff,
up on the
non-teaching
stage.
staff, everyone please come and join with the national anthem.
All the students and parents, please rise for national anthem. Students, please stop running here and there. Let's maintain decorum.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, parents. And thank you so much, children. And thank you so much, Premila ma'am. Your presence today, the whole time you have taken here. A heartful thanks from our Sri Vasishtha, the school ma'am. And thank you for all the principals from all the branches, all the beautiful principals over there. And a special thanks to our GM Vamshi sir and Dean Razma ma'am. And a special thanks to Srikant sir, Sri Vasishtha, the steps. And the strong pillar and the backbone. A very thank you for supporting me in all the ways centered at Teja sir. And I would like to thank Principal ma'am, my lovely Principal ma'am. Ma'am, never she says no for me. Heartful thank you, ma'am, for giving me this host. Thank you so much, my dear loving parents. Have a great night.
Thank you, dear parents. Please have a safe ride home. Thank you for joining us this evening. Good night and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Yeah. Tomorrow, shall we go with the holiday or shall we run? Shall we go with revision? No, I'm not ready to give any holiday tomorrow. We have to go with revision. No? Okay. For parents' purpose, tomorrow it is declared a holiday. Okay, thank you, my dear lovely parents here.